Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add photo to frame in Canva. So this is our blank page here. To choose our frame, go to Elements on the right side of your screen, and then scroll down and find the word Frame. Click on See All to open totally the Frames section. In here, as you can see, there are many options of frames to choose from. So let's try this flower-like frame. Click it and it will appear on your blank page. To put photo in it, go to Uploads and choose the photo you want to add on the frame. Let's say this cat over here. Click it and drag it inside the frame. And the photo of the cat is inside the flower frame. Let's try another one. Again, go to Elements and choose again a frame. And go again in your Uploads. And choose the picture you want to put on the frame. And drag it inside the frame. And there you go, dogs on a computer frame. You can also put 2 or more different photos in one frame, depending on the frame that you will choose. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!